students, this is Babita Bisht. Welcome back to the grammar session with DK Grammar Classes, and topic for today's session is the usage of since and for. Friends, as I believe, grammar is fun, so let's enjoy it. So before going ahead with the usage of since and for, let me give you a quick recall of perfect continuous tenses, because these two prepositions since and for are always used with perfect continuous tenses. See, let me give you the difference between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. See, if something is going on, some action is going on, Rohit is reading a newspaper, this is present continuous. If we talk about present perfect continuous, then I'll say Rohit has been reading a newspaper since 5 p.m. or Rohit has been reading a newspaper for 2 hours. What is the difference? The difference is in present perfect continuous tense or in any perfect continuous tenses, the starting time, the time when that particular action started, either point of time or duration of time is given. And to show that duration or point of time, we use since and for. We use since and for. See children, we face lots and lots of confusion while using since or for. At times we commit grammatical mistakes in using since. We use since in place of for, or we use for in place of since. So after watching this video, I can assure you this usage will be clear and you will not commit this kind of mistake. Means using since and for at appropriate places. Let's move ahead. Let me talk about the preposition since first. See children, since. Since is used for particular and specific time. When some action started, means कब से वो काम start हुआ, कब से काम चल रहा है, कब से, that point of time is shown by since. Okay, if you read the sentence, just ask the question. The action is going on, कब से. If you are getting the answer of that time expression to fill in that कब से, then you will use since. Let me show you the examples. Indians have been working hard. This is present perfect continuous. Indians have been working hard. Indians work hard कर रहे हैं कब से? Since 1947. Now a particular specific year is given. Exact accurate duration is given. Exact point of time is given. 1947. That's why we have used since. Other example. My mother has been cooking. Cooking कर रही है. My mother has been cooking food कब से? Since 7 p.m. Again, exact point of time. Point of time कब से? 7 p.m. Okay. Then next, my father has been sleeping. Father सो रहे हैं. This action is going on कब से? Since morning. Exact time duration, exact time expression. Point of time कब से? सुबह से. Right? I hope it's clear. Now next, I have not met my friend. मैं अपने दोस्त से नहीं मिला कब से? Exactly since Diwali. Exactly, exact duration, exact point of time कब से? Since Diwali. So this usage since, I hope it's clear. Later on I'll give you practice to exercise also. Let's move ahead with the usage of for. Now if I talk about for, again for, the way we were using since in perfect continuous tenses, for is also used in perfect continuous tenses. But since we use for point of time, here for is used for period of time. Period, that is duration. Kitna, maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3 hours, maybe 7 months, maybe 30 years. See, this is the duration, right? For duration we use for. Just read the sentence, action is going on, काम चल रहा है, and ask the question, कितने से? If you get the answer of this, you get the duration, you have to use for in that. Let me tell you, for is used to show span, duration and period of time. That is kitne se, right? Let's start with examples. My sister has been baking. Sister bake कर रही है cake. कब से? For 2 hours. This is not point of time. This is period of time. This is period of time. If you see second example, children have been playing in the park. बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे हैं. कितने से? कितनी देर से? That is for the whole day. For the whole day. Again, this is duration. So we have used for here. If we see this example, my mother has been teaching in this school. इस स्कूल में पढ़ा रही है. कितने टाइम से? कितनी ड्यूरेशन से? That duration is given for 20 years. So we have used here for. See the difference. If I say my mother has been teaching in this school 1997. कब से? Then we use since 1997. This is point of time. So since and duration. This 20 years is duration. So for 20 years. See the last example. The doctor has been treating the patient. Doctor patient को treat कर रहा है कितनी देर से? For 2 hours. Again, this is duration. For 2 hours. In case it would have been 2 p.m. कब से? 2 p.m. से. Then we should have used since 2 p.m. Got the difference? Since 2 p.m. for 2 hours. Since 1998 for 20 years. This is the difference in point of time and duration of time or period of time. Since is used for point of time, कब से? For is used for कितने से? Period of time. I hope this is clear. Both the things you'll get clearer, better idea you'll get by a small quiz that I'm going to conduct. Now children, it's time to check yourself how much you have understood this concept of usage of since and for. Here you can see 5 sentences. Just read them and put suitable since or for. You can use since or for here in these blanks. Okay, I hope you will keep all the rules, all the points that I explained in my session, and now start doing this. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. I have been waiting dash 7 o'clock. I had been staying in New Zealand dash 1 month. He has been playing dash 4 hours. I have known him dash January. She has been living in Japan dash 3 years. Now I hope you all have filled that with you. Now let's start checking. I'm telling you the right answer. You can tell me yours. I have been waiting dash 7 o'clock. Now कब से? This is point of time. This is point. So we will use since 7 o'clock. I had been staying in New Zealand 1 month. This is duration of the time. कितने से? 1 month से. So we will use here for. Right? Next, he has been playing 4 hours. Again, this is period of time. कितने time से? That is for 4 hours. For period of time, we will use for. I have known him dash January. कब से जानता हूँ? Point of time. Yes, this is point of time. So we will use since January. Last sentence. She has been living in Japan 3 years. This is not point, but this is period of time. कितने duration से? 3 years से. For duration we use for. Now children, I hope the concept of since and for is clear to you. Now you can do its practice later also, and don't commit this kind of mistakes now in your language. Now this is end of this video. I hope You will follow all the rules and keep everything in your mind related to since and for. Now wait for my next video with some new and interesting grammar topic. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.